Yes. Hello. Yes, sir. I'm gonna want to do a records request. And it's a policy of this office, the public defender's office, that no videographic evidence is released from this office to a client, defendant, that's represented by this office.
Can you say that?
Sure, I can say it as many times as you want me to.
Go ahead and say it for me again.
Yes, sir. Okay, so there's a policy in this office about videographic evidence. In other words, say there was a body-worn camera come from an event, right? And the defendant can't take that video home. He can't have that as part of like discovery or anything to that effect.
Okay. Give me 1 second.
Yeah, you got all the time in the world, sir.
Okay, go ahead again.
Okay, this office has a policy on videographic evidence. Say something that come over from discovery, right? So the client / defendant is not allowed by this office's policy to take the document or take the record or evidence or whatever you want to call it anywhere else. I want to know that policy. I want to know when that was implemented.
You want to know when it was implemented?
Yes. I want to know if it's a policy, and I want to know where I can find it and when it was implemented. So that's a record. In other words, I get pinched by the police for whatever reason. There's a body-worn camera of the event. I'm a pauper or whatever. I can't be represented by paid legal counsel, so I qualify for services here. So when the discovery is made and this office accepts it, there might be videographic evidence in there. Well, the defendant, i.e. the accused, he can't bring it home. Client, I want to know why. I want to know why any other document other than that.
Okay, and how do you want us to respond to the request?
Blue Steel, FOIA, request at gmail.com. That's Blue Steel FOIA request at gmail.com.
Okay, anything else?
Can you just read that back to me, son?
Sir, your request is regarding a policy regarding videographic evidence, i.e. body-worn camera, not being released to a client as discovery.
Right.
You would like to know, is this a policy of the office, when the policy was implemented, and why?
Right.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Anything else?
Yes. One other thing. When the case is over, can the defendant receive it then?
Say that word again?
Okay. When the case is over, you know, the trial, whatever trial, plea bargain, whatever it was.
You said then.
Yes.
Okay.
Can that be released from this office to the defendant then?
Okay.
See, I'll tell you where I'm going with this, right? I'm going to go ahead and lay it out there, what I want the answers to. This office deals with that, you know, and I don't think that that's legal and lawful.
Okay, I can't speak to legal.
Oh, no, but I'm just saying, you know, that's my intent. You know, like whenever you ask questions, you don't have to leave an intent.
No, I understand.
But
I understand.
that's where I'm going with that.
Okay, I will send this.
I'm not trying to shake you or anything.
No. I just, I'm not an attorney.
I
so
just,
I can't answer
yeah. I just wanted to post my intent.
I got you.
You know.
I got you, and I'll send this to Ms. Scott. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
You have a great day. Thank you for being patient with me. I appreciate your effort. If you ever go on the YouTube, I'm Blue Steel. Just look up Blue Steel Gainesville.
Blue Steel?
Yes, ma'am.
BLU?
BLUESTEEL.
I will do.
Yes, ma'am.
I will do.
Especially if you know people that were strip searched roadside by like the Alachua County Sheriff. I'm working on that right now. There's a lot of people in Alachua County that's been strip searched, especially out in the southwest, out by Holly Heights in the crime corridor. What they love to call the crime corridor. That's the reason enough to strip search you out
It's
there.
always good to know what we legal to do stuff, and it's always good to know what we legal to get our information and help from.
If you know people that were pinched like that, you know, and that was the sole existence of them being stopped was no real reason, I'm here for that. That's what I do.
That's what's up.
I got some stuff like that in the works right now, love.
Okay, say blue.
Blue Steel.
BlueSteel.com.
No, go on to YouTube. Yeah, YouTube, Blue Steel, Gainesville. Or all you gotta do is go on Google and search Blue Steel, Gainesville, and it'll come up. It'll put you on my YouTube. That's what I'm a YouTube activist. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got no money, so I gotta have a place to work from. You know what I'm saying? And that's my office. Yes, ma'am. Bye now. Every seed planted is another soldier. All right, I'm gonna let y'all go. I made it out of there. It's hotter than Hades out here. I can't even find the off button.